The WEA is special and the WEA is different because it is a democratic membership organisation as well as a provider of adult education such as a further education college. In Wales, it was launched in 1907 in Barry, but the first class or gathering was actually held in Wrexham prior to this. Currently in Wales, we reach around 15,000, working in partnership with community groups, third sector organisations, housing associations, trade unions and so on, in order to deliver in both the community and in the workplace.
Tyfodd y WEA o braidd yr Undeb a Llafur a'r mudiadau cydweithredol dros ganrif yn ôl erbyn hyn, a mae'r partneriaeth yna rhan mor bwysig heddiw ac mae erioed wedi bod. Drwy weithio gyda'r Undeb a Llafur, rydym ni'n gallu cyrraedd dysgwyr fysa ni ddim fel arfer yn gael ati nhw. Pobl sydd yn cael cyflog isel, neu pobl sydd yn delio efo her, sefyllfa gwaith sydd yn newid o ddydd i ddydd yn aml.
Not everybody does very good in school. I didn't do very well in school. And I think everybody deserves that second chance and opportunity. Like I'm doing now at uni, it's harder, but you've just got to try and juggle family life and normal life. And I just think it's a nice way of adults having the opportunity to do what other people do.
To be at ease and also not to be afraid of saying, yes, I didn't really, that went over the top of my head, I didn't really understand what you were saying. And the class is small enough for them to stop what is progressing to and redigress. That means an awful lot.
Second chance learning, education in the community, learning partnerships across Wales, I think are very important. When you go on these courses, they bring people together, not just in one area of Wales, but all over the place. I think it empowers the individual to fulfil their potential.
Fel mudiad gwirfoddol ein hunain, rydyn yn deall pwysigrwydd gweithio yn y sector, ynghyd â gyda mentrau cymdeithasol, i sicrhau datblygiad staff o radd leunaf mewn ffordd fforddiadwy ar gyfer y mudiadau yma. Rydym hefyd yn cynnig gwasanaeth tebyg ar gyfer busnesau bach, asgwn cefn yr economi wledig ac yn ein ardaloedd difreintiedig.
A lot of our young people had bad experiences in school, so we're getting away from the education, away from the kind of classroom. It's all completed within the community as well, so it's easily accessible. And the tutors, which we've always had through the WEA, are very down to earth, they're very approachable. It's just a much more comfortable environment for our young people to achieve.
We have a vision for not only providing learning for those who need a second chance, but also working with learners to develop self-sustaining courses and clubs.
Mae WEA yn cael arian ac yn rhannu'r arian trwy y cymuned i wneud clwbiau fel hyn. Mae pobl yn ddod yma i wneud nhw hapus, i cael mwy hyder, i creu ffrindiau a pob dydd.
I had a stroke nearly 10 years ago, and when I got home after the hospitals, I lost my ability to read and write properly, so I had to learn. I tried a normal college and it's too formal for me. I learned so much, computers, craft. I've started volunteering, and if I didn't have the WA, I wouldn't ever done that.
I joined because I need to go to work and my English is really bad. So wherever I go for an interview or anything, they just ask me on which level I am. In 2 courses, I learn a lot about computers, about job searching, about loads of things. In the future, I will open my own business. I speak 5 languages. It's Hindi, Urdu, Punjabi, Arabic, and now it's English as well.
We're celebrating now the launch of WEA Cymru, which was formed because of the merger of Coleg Harlech, WEA North Wales and WEA South Wales. So WEA Cymru is now very proud to be the largest adult education provider in Wales.
Inspirational.
Engaging. Fascinating.
Tarotaza, refreshing.
Mwynhau.
Bendigedig.
Inspiring.
Illuminating.
Exhilarating.
Uplifting.